So here's what I had to do to fix the car, to Mickey Mouse it together to get it to work so I could actually start it and drive it. So I had to do a couple things. Starting with, I had to bring these wires in through the fender, the same wires that I was using before to touch to the battery terminal to get the starter to crank over. I brought those in through the fender, wired them up to this little push button I got at Home Depot. So it's the basic momentary on push button. Wired it up, zip tied it to the vent. And then, while I was at Home Depot, I had to get a couple of washers and screws. And with my drill, I was able to put this makeshift key together. It was really the way this should have been made in the first place, just all metal. But yeah, so the reason I did that was because I needed to be able to turn the ignition with one hand while using the other hand to push that button over there. So what I got to do is I got to put these two parts together so it can actually read the key. Otherwise it says no key detected. And then I put this in, I turn it to the crank position. It won't start until I push that button. And that's how it starts. If you could possibly help me out, I greatly appreciate that, as I am currently homeless and living in this car. Thank you so much, and subscribe to my channel for future videos.